Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. And today have I got another treat for you. Today we're going to be looking at a 6-bedroom house just 2 minutes away from the Guadalmina Commercial Center and about 5 minutes to the beach. Are you ready? Let's go. The property is located within a short stroll to the Guadalmina Royal de Golf Golf Club. The commercial center is only down the road and there's plenty of international schools. This property has just under 550 square meters, 6-bedroom and 5 bathrooms. The distribution of this property is absolutely wonderful. On the first floor you have a separate kitchen just coming off the dining room with an open plan sitting room, fireplace, as well as another room, and all spilling out into its wonderful gardens. Included on the first floor, you also have a bedroom with its own ensuite and a guest bathroom. On the first floor, you'll find 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms en suite, and 2 wonderful terrace areas. On the lower ground floor, you'll find another bedroom with its own ensuite, as well as a garage for 2 cars, an off-street parking, and all connecting up to the kitchen. Wow, it's been a great day. Guys, thank you so much for joining me once again on another Engel Völkers property tour. Now guys, I want to see you here in Marbella soon. Click the link below. Also, there's another link for the whole area guide of Guadalmina. I can't wait to see you here. Don't forget to subscribe to see more houses just like this. Take care.